Did you know that choosing the wrong mocha pot could be sabotaging your morning coffee ritual? Most people grab the first shiny one they see, but there's actually a science to picking the perfect mocha pot that'll transform your kitchen coffee game forever. First, let's talk size. Mocha pots are measured in cups, but here's the kicker. These aren't your regular coffee cups. A 6-cup mocha pot actually makes about 3 normal servings. Always buy based on how much coffee you actually drink, not the number on the box. Material matters more than you think. Aluminum heats up faster and costs less, making it perfect for beginners. But here's where it gets interesting. Stainless steel lasts longer and won't react with acidic coffees, though it takes more time to heat up. Professional baristas often prefer aluminum for its heat conductivity. Now here's a game changer most people miss: the handle design. Plastic handles stay cool but can break over time. Metal handles last forever but get scorching hot. Bakelite handles are the sweet spot, heat-resistant and durable. The real secret lies in the safety valve. Check that it's properly positioned and not blocked. This tiny feature prevents dangerous pressure buildup and ensures consistent brewing pressure every single time. Brand reputation isn't just marketing hype. Bialetti invented the Moka pot in 1933 and still makes the most reliable ones. Generic brands might save money up front, but often have inconsistent pressure seals. Here's your action plan. Measure your actual coffee consumption. Decide between aluminum for speed or steel for longevity. Prioritize handle comfort and invest in a reputable brand. Your future self will thank you when you're sipping perfectly extracted coffee instead of bitter disappointment every morning. Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors. Coffee, the adult alcohol, worth $5.99. The description, https://tinural.com, 3 Coffee Lover.